boy that dude Montague, the lone FX trader, and you tuned into Forex with Local Millionaires. What's good, future Local Millionaires? It's your boy that dude Montague, the lone FX trader. So today we're actually going to touch up on the hash. One thing that a lot of people was asking me to do, or basically asking me to record, is German30. How to trade German30, right? So it's not a secret or anything, right? But even before we even just jump or start into that, let's actually understand what we need to know, right? So when I speak about what we need to know, we need to understand support and resistance, basically, right? So for my beginner traders, let's break it down for you like this. Support is your floor. Resistance is your ceiling. Take a ball, right? The ball is basically going to be the market, right? So if the market, you throw the ball up, right? Market is moving to your resistance, your ceiling, right? Market is moving to your ceiling, right? Once market hits your ceiling, where's the ball coming to? Right? Market is going to come back down, right? Back to your floor. So in this example, right, German30 operates between support and resistance. One thing that we need to actually understand is where and how. We need to first allocate our zones, right? So basically with that being said, I guess, wait, before I jump that side, right? I hope that small example of me saying support and resistance make it a little easier for our beginner traders, right? Okay, but again, let's jump into the video. Not into the video, into the charts. Right, so one thing that we want to understand, right? How do I allocate my support and resistance, right? When we allocate our support and resistance, we have to find zones where market has used that support and resistance as a support and resistance. No, please explain a little more for me. Right, so basically, let me share my screen. Right, please bear with me, right? So I'm gonna look to the side, right? Because the screen is on the side, right? So basically, when we speak about using the market needs to use this as a support and resistance, right? Price. For instance, let's use this example right here, right? This resistance right here, the top, market used it as a support and a resistance. All right, so price broke, used it as a resistance for a day or so, a day or two, right? Then price broke again, right? So that's what we can see right there. Simple, right? So again, we're looking at our support region right here. Sorry, this actually came all the way down. Our support region right here. This is our support, right? Price used it as a resistance before price broke. Simple, right? So that's what I basically mean. So that's the first way that we want to do it, right? Second way that we want to do it, we can actually use our key zones, right? So when I speak about key zones, this is again where market, give us that V, point of interest in the market, right? So market is either going to touch this level or gap the level or overlap the level, right? So again, that basically I'll speak on another video, understanding the key zones. But for now, we move into a line chart, right? So again, we move into a line chart. We're checking, okay, cool, 1, 2, 3. We're looking for where market has touched, right? Because remember, we always want to look and see what price does at a certain level. So again, we want to find those psychology levels. Psychology level for me here, right? Yeah, it's 400. Boom. Let me just make it a little clearer. There we go. This one is proper. And there we go. We got our support and resistance. Right? So now again, with that understanding of us taking trades on support and resistance, right? So there's a golden rule that happens or is in Forex, right? So there's a golden rule. We want to sell high, buy low. Right? So again, when we speak about this, let's speak about it more into contents that we understand it, right? Sell high, buy low. Right? So it's, for instance, you buy, let's say you buy now during this whole pandemic, right? We're trying to, buy and sell, right? So basically with that being said, we want to buy something cheap and sell it for a more expensive price, right? So basically when you take a sell at the market, right? So you're basically selling something at a higher price. And when price comes to the level that you want it to come, right? So the difference, right? Basically at where you looking to purchase your stock or you purchase your what's the name, that's where you close your profits and you move like that, right? It's that easy. So again, with us understanding this, Sell high, buy low. Price is at the resistance. Price at the resistance, price broke resistance, right? Because now what we can actually do, right? We have our candlesticks. I love looking at my candlesticks, right? 4 hours, I go into my 4-hour time frame. I look for my areas. I look for my key zones, right? Key zones, areas that I look to enter. I look to enter at big psychology levels, right? So once the market comes to that psychology level, I take my entry, I put my stop loss because I put my 20-point stop loss because again, risk management is important. I can't stress that enough, right? If you trade in indices or indices, right? Whatever the word is, risk management is important, right? Because if you're not going to risk properly, you're always going to come second in the market. You're always going to blow your account and you'll be like, nah, you know what, right? I should not trade this. If you have a small account, right? I'd rather risk 150 Rand, which is 15 points, 130 Rand, it's 15 points, right? 15 points on a 0.01. 15 points, you risk that, right? From there, you make your money. But again, let's just see how market actually operates or move between support and resistance. Let's actually take this a little back. Do around about there. So we already saw like a sneak peek, right? So we got price to actually break. Got price to break our support. From there, market gave us a small retest. And all market is looking to do is actually move to the downside of our resistance. Sorry, our support. And if price breaks its support, we just continuously move, right? We adjust, right? There's no harm in adjusting. And that the simplicity of German30 is basically finding your zones that you would like market to actually trade in between and actually making money there in between, right? German30 does not need no special attention, right? There's a lot of money to be made in German30. We always just need to focus on where to take the trades, right? So again, German30 operates support and resistance, basic understanding. That is the basic thing that a lot of us traders actually threw away, right? So once we actually start trading, we learn more, we learn more, we learn more. We forget about the basics, right? And the basics is basically where we can see money is made, right? Support and resistance is where money is made, right? Stop complicating it by expecting, you know, market to first pass your butterfly, your RSI. Here's one of the biggest indices, right, in the world, what a lot of people don't even know about. And it's a very simple to trade because market only operates between support and resistance. Once you actually allocate those support and resistance, market becomes way much easier for you to trade, right? So do me a favor. If this video was very, you know, you enjoyed this video, do me a favor, like, subscribe to our channel. Not because I do see 30% of the people that actually come and watch our videos is not subscribed to our channel. Subscribe to our channel so we can actually push more content. Because now at the moment we are looking to push more content, right? Subscribe, like, put a bell notification on, right? So that you never miss a video, right? So it's your boy Dad Montek. And do me, before Evans, go, right? Do me a favor, right? Follow our IG because we are actually pushing a lot of content also on our IG, right? So we basically, let me tell you the schedule events. Monday, Wednesday. We upload on YouTube. Tuesday, Thursday, we upload on Instagram. Right. So do me a favor, push that like, so just show that, you know, some appreciation on my side. Because you know what, right? It's very tiresome doing videos, uploading, editing, all that. But again, I'm not gonna leave you on that note. It's your boy that do Montek the Lone FX Trader. And that's how trade German30. And I'm out.